Welcome to genNEXT at Home, Block Code Bowling Alley Part 2. I'm Ethan Matzdorf, 24G Experiential Developer. Last year, we learned all about block coding and how to create our own bowling alley using Scratch. Check out episode 9 to see part 1. Today, we are going to continue building our code and make a real bowling game you can play. To get started, you'll need your bowling alley Scratch project, with the pins included. Want to use my project? Go to the link in the description and log in with your Scratch account. Right now, if I press the green flag, the ball will go down the lane, hit all the pins, and the pins disappear when they are hit. Time for a remix. Let's start with the ball action, which can be found in the ball sprite. The code we previously made rolls the ball down to the pin. To start off, we want to get the ball to move back and forth before sending it down the lane. Drag the code that rolls the ball off to the side. Now, pressing the green flag will keep the ball in the center. Let's start the ball from the left. Set the go-to block to about -110. That looks good. Next, we want to have the ball go to the right. Since we already have code to move the ball, let's duplicate the code which does that. That is the point in direction and repeat loop. Let's update the point in direction block to point to the right. That's 90 degrees. Now the ball moves to the right. To get the ball to move back to the left, let's duplicate our ball movement code again. This time setting point in direction to the left. That's -90 degrees. Now, to keep the ball moving back and forth, we just need to add a forever loop around the code we just added. The ball is moving a bit fast. If we want to adjust the speed, we can tweak the repeat and move numbers. Repeat 20 and move 10 works well. Let's write code so the ball stops moving back and forth and rolls down the lane. The first thing we need to do is add a when space key pressed block. To stop the forever loop, add a stop block and click the drop-down menu to change the commands to other scripts in this sprite. Next, we want the ball to move down the lane, just as it did before. To do this, drag our original ball movement code below the stop command. Let's run the program now. Looks good. Finally, let's add the scoring. Select the bowling pin sprite. We want to use what's called a variable. A variable is a way to keep track of a certain value. In this case, we're going to keep track of how many pins the ball hits. Click Make a Variable. We'll call it Score. Now, the score is above the bowling alley. After the ball hits the pin, we need to increase the score by 1. I'll do the same thing over here. I got 9. Cool. Now, if I run the code again, one thing you'll notice is the score didn't reset. We want to score once per roll, so add a set block here and set the score to 0. Now it'll give us a score for just that roll. We have now upgraded our bowling game. Have fun and challenge your friends in a game of block code bowling. Show us how your bowling game turned out. Click the share button at the top of the page. Then, share to the 24 genNEXT Studio for a chance to be featured. Can't wait to see it!